Hey folks, how you doing? It's Richard from Bikepacking Adventures and welcome to the channel. My continuing story of Vlogmas 2023. It is the quick check, 14th of December today, halfway through the month. Vlogmas is vlogging every single day through December. It's a bit of a challenge the boss set me at work, and it's proven quite difficult this year. But yeah, it just is. I'm not sure why. Just find it a little bit difficult to find things to be motivated and to talk about. You know, I'd love to get on my bike and do some riding and things like that, but the days are short, and you know, I'm working Monday to Friday, so I'm sat in front of my computer again. I thought I'd tell you about what I've got planning, what I've got coming up for this following weekend. So if I share my screen with you, this is Saturday. The ride's called Post-Donington Ride with Tom. That's Tom Stringer. We're going to be riding, well, I'll show you right now actually. We're going to be starting from Doddington, riding down this road here towards Pickworth's Plot. Apparently this is a great place to ride mountain bikes and gravel bikes. I've seen it in a few times in Tom's videos. It looks good fun, so hopefully it's not so wet around there at the moment. I can enjoy myself on the gravel bike. So we're going to do some filming around there. Maybe we'll go into this woods here as well. I don't really know. And then I'm going to go back to Donington and maybe have something to eat at the Giant store. Who knows? Then following on from that, we're going to part ways, and I'm going to go on a bike ride for about 85k. Starting out going along the NCN 64 into the city centre, well, Lincoln city centre, sorry. And yeah, continuing on the water railway towards Bardney. Oh, I should just mention at this point as well, Friday night is the works due in Lincoln city centre. We can give them £70 to spend on drinks, so who knows whether I'm going to be up to riding Saturday morning. But to be honest, I don't drink a lot. Probably won't need to, but you never know. I might head into the city centre after the main works party has finished, but yeah, see what happens. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to get to Bardney. You never know. I may skip eating in the Giant store and head to the butchers at Bardney. Depends what time I get down there, because I think it closes at 1 o'clock. So yeah, wait to see, I guess. Then from Bardney, going to follow this back road to the Wasp's Nest. Yes, that is a real place. To Nocton, and then going to follow this bridle track into Dunstan, Metheringham, towards Temple Brewer, which is, well, where is it? It's just here, just over the other side of the A something or other. I think that's the A15, the A17, not sure. It must be the, it's the road which goes to Leasingham and Sleaford. We're going to be hopping over that. Brant Broughton, Cartonley Moorland, Norton Disney, through the woods, across the other side of the main road here, and then all the way back to Doddington. That's Saturday. And then I'm hoping after that, going to sleep in the back of the van on the outskirts of Nottingham, and start Sunday morning with a bit of, I call it a gravel ride, but it's mostly road. I'm going to go through here to Gunthorpe, cross over the bridge to Shelford, all the way uphill. Going to join the Grantham Canal. I think this is the Grantham Canal at this point. Yes, it is. Towards, I think I missed it out actually. I was going to go to Cockgrove, but I'm not going to go there anymore. I'm just going to follow the Grantham Canal for whatever that distance is there, 20k. So there'll be a lot of stopping and starting because there's quite a few gates along that section. And I'm going to get to Harby. I'm not going to turn left here. I'm going to go all the way up this hill. It's quite a steep one, as you can see. To Waltham on the Wolds. To Wymenham and the windmill there. That may be a good place to have breakfast. I've heard it pronounced Wymondham, I think. Wymondham. I always call it Wymenham. But anyway, going to go to Oakham, do a circuit of Rutland Water on the trail here, and well, that's completely wrong there. So shall we edit that now? Yeah, look at that, that's completely wrong there. Let's go in there, sort that out. So we're going to put control point. We've got control point. Perhaps join into here. But I'm going to drag that over there, and there it is. Yeah, so shortened it by 3k there. Give that a save. So I'm going to go around Rutland Water on the gravel track, past the bike shop. Is it? I don't know what it is. Rutland Cycle Centre. Let's call it that. Then we're going to come off here to Eppingham. Where are we this point? We're all in the hills and things. Hop over the A1. There's a path down there by the looks of it, or road. Yeah, it's a road. Pickworth, Castle Bytham, into Corby Glen. Depending on whether I stop at Wymenham will determine or not whether I'll go to the March here in Corby Glen. There's a nice cafe there, so who knows. Irnham, Godsby, Booth Packnell. Going to go down Summerby Hill in Grantham, and then rejoin the Grantham Canal, the other side. Stay on that for another, what's that? 28 to 35, another 30k-ish. To Bottisford, and then just follow the back roads to Clarkolston, East Bridgeford, down this cycle track there, and then down another cycle track which is probably a bit puddly, but we're going to go that way and then back to start. So yeah, that's my Sunday, well, Saturday and Sunday planned. And now I've checked the weather for this weekend, and hallelujah, it looks like it's not raining at all. It's pretty amazing because every weekend for the last eon has seemed to have rained at some point. It looks like it's not going to be particularly sunny. It looks like it's going to be cloudy all day, but even low teens is possible, 13, 14. So it doesn't look like it's going to be a cold one either, which is just as well because I'm going to be sleeping in the van Saturday night. So I've got to get myself organised this evening, or probably tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon. Get all the stuff prepared in the back of the van, and then head over to the Christmas party. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Is just sharing what's going on this weekend. Hope you have a good time out there as well, and hope it's not raining for you. It's certainly been a wet autumn up to this point. Right, and we're coming up to the end of autumn now. 21st is the beginning of the winter solstice and the beginning of a new season, the winter season. On that very note, actually, got a ride planned with Chris Scalehorn and Francis Kelly. We're going to be doing a 200km Audax DIY, so that's coming up next weekend. I think, well, towards the weekend. I think we're going to be doing it on the 22nd because I'm going to be moving in things like that, so it's going to be a bit too rushed on the 21st, I think. So hopefully, fingers crossed, the weather will be good for that. If it's just a little bit of rain about and it's a little bit cold like it would normally be in December, we're just going to head out there, and I'm sure we'll enjoy it just the same. So yeah, that'll be a video coming up later in the month. Right, what are you up to this weekend? Head down in the comments below, let me know. And that's it for this one. I'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye bye.